So in the interest of speeding things up, I won't read the definitions to you. I just want to point out that physical change, a lot of people recognize very easily that a change in the physical state of something is a physical change, but mixing or unmixing a mixture is also a change in physical state. It's not a change in chemical state unless you change what the formula of the compound is. So let's practice if we understand the difference between these two terms by doing this exercise. Go ahead and pause that if you like. But the volume of a substance is extensive. Just think if you double the amount of material you have, what is going to double and what is going to stay the same? The volume would double, so that's extensive. The mass would double. The density of the substance would stay the same. The temperature would stay the same. The amount of heat a substance contains would be different. So you can have two containers of water that are the same temperature. So if you have a boiling cup of water and a boiling vat of water, they're the same temperature, but the heat contained in the large vat is more. And then of course the weight of the vat of water would be more. So now let's identify some chemical versus physical properties. Having something be a solid is a physical property. Having something change state, physical state at a certain temperature is a physical property. Having a certain density is a physical property. Not being flammable is a chemical property because burning would be a chemical change. And so if something can do that or not do that, that's a chemical property. Also, reacting with water to change its chemical formula would be a chemical property. So how reactive something is, how flammable something is would be a chemical property. So condensation on the outside of a soda can is something going from gas to liquid, so that's a physical change. Bubbles that were dissolved becoming undissolved, that's an unmixing, so that is a physical change. What's happening when you spill soda is that the water that's in the soda would evaporate and the other ingredients would stay behind, so that is an unmixing, that's also a physical change. This last one, having sugar become something that's not sugar, something else, carbon dioxide, that is a chemical change.